me peeps, you don't know, say I work man this morning, you know? Yeah man, so I mash up some work this morning, clean up the place, light some fire because we don't tell them about the organic farm I try bringing their place, the healthy way to go. So remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Bless up me people, one love, one heart. Go on me peeps, yeah man, clean up time you know. Yeah man, clean up time you know. So let it burn. Yeah man, so this is the caterpillar, you know. Caterpillar. The eating machine. So this are the tobacco seeds. Yeah. Yes, my paper. Straight organic. So yes, my people, you see when I'm call this a nata, you know. Yeah man, a nata. Nice, give you a nice curry flavor, you know. Very nice. Spice up your food and stuff for it. Also your fish give it a nice color, your chicken a nice color, so them call this a nata. Yeah man. Tell about the country life, my people. Very nice, a lot of things in the country. So yeah man, so inside of the nata stay some little seeds. You can put it in the aisle and make it burn and it give you a nice curry look. So yeah man, so this you call a nata. Yeah man. You have lots of health benefits also. Natural season, you know. So see my people, look on the color. See? You see color on my hand, on my fingers? Just look at it. Give it a nice color. So yeah, so this is a dry one. So you can make it stay up on the tree and dry. And also you can pick it and put it down and let it dry. Yeah man, natural season, you know. Nice curry color. Yeah man, so I pick some and dry them, you know. I don't know say organic way. I go the organic way. Can't use too much of the artificial season them and stuff for it, so I use a natural season, natural color season for the tree, so they may call them a nata, you know. Yeah man. So you chill load me people. So if you need some nata, you can contact Fire Reid if you don't want some nata, you know. Some nata seed. Yeah man. Chill load. So yes, my people, see it there? Yeah man. So yes, my people, see it there? So I put them out right now and make sun go and catch them and make them dry. Yeah man, so some nice, they might give you some nice flavor, you know. You call them the nata. Yeah man, so I put them on one grill. So I keep them like a few days and make them go and dry, you know. Yeah man, also if you use up your farm, you know, some organic stuff same way. Yeah man, use a bit tired them in the place. Yeah man, so right there, so we have some callaloo. We have some cabbage right here. Yeah man, we have some thyme. Also have some hot peppers, you know. Yeah man, so you all know about the country life, sweet can do a lot of stuff. Also have some okra. In other countries, people that call it lady fingers and stuff, straight organic. So yeah man, so welcome to Fire Reid farm, also local farm. Tell my people it's not easy, you know. You make sure you take care of the goat them. This is, yeah man. Yeah man, so you see it planting so ready. Yeah man, so you see the gungo start ready, you know. You know, say Christmas time, gungo and rice and peas. Yeah man. Yeah, some people see you see it, some sugar apple. You know we call it in Jamaica, we call it sweet sap, you know. Yeah man. Country life sweet. See them people when they're soon ready, you know. So I put it down for 1 day or 2 days, then we can eat it, you know. Yeah man, have everything in the country. Yes, people, so you see it's some sweet peppers right here. This is my sweet pepper nursery. Yeah, man. Yeah, so every morning I have to make sure I wash off the frost them off it, you know. So this sweet pepper is about 2 weeks. Yeah, man, like we would forget some rain in the country today.